The iPhone Fold is shaping up to be one of Apple's boldest and most ambitious products yet. Expected to launch in 2026, this foldable device aims to solve problems that have held back the foldable market for years. Instead of simply joining the competition, Apple appears ready to redefine what a premium, foldable smartphone should feel like, starting with one of its biggest breakthroughs, a truly crease-free display. One of the standout features of the iPhone Fold is its smooth, crease-free inner screen. This has been a major challenge for every foldable device so far, but Apple seems to have cracked the code. Reports suggest that Apple has developed a new hinge system made from liquid metal, an advanced material known for its strength, flexibility, and resistance to wear. This hinge helps the screen fold without leaving a visible line down the middle. The result is a display that looks and feels much more like a traditional, flat iPhone screen, offering a clean, uninterrupted viewing experience. Apple is also pushing premium design to the next level with a titanium, aluminum hybrid frame. This gives the device incredible durability while keeping it lightweight and elegant. When unfolded, the iPhone Fold measures just 4.5 mm thick, making it one of the thinnest foldables ever created. Apple wants this device to feel luxurious in the hand, but also practical enough for everyday use. The combination of top-tier materials and slim engineering shows how seriously Apple is approaching the foldable category. The device takes on a book-style form factor with two OLED displays using LTPO technology. The inner screen measures 7.8 inches, giving users a tablet-like space for multitasking, entertainment, and productivity. Meanwhile, the 5.5-inch external display is perfect for quick interactions like checking notifications, replying to messages, or navigating apps on the go. Both screens support 128Hz ProMotion, ensuring smooth animations and efficient power usage. Apple wants the iPhone Fold to adjust to your needs. Open it for bigger tasks, close it for compact convenience. Photography also gets a new approach on this device. The iPhone Fold comes with 4 cameras designed for versatility. There's a punch-hole front camera, 240-megapixel cameras on the back for wide and ultra-wide shots, and a 24-megapixel under-display camera that stays hidden beneath the screen. Apple made the choice to skip optical image stabilization to maintain the ultra-thin profile, but they've reportedly added advanced lens tech and software processing to keep images sharp and clear. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light scenes, the iPhone Fold is designed to perform across all situations. Inside the device, Apple is stepping up performance with the new A20 Pro chip. This processor is expected to handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat, and it pairs with a dual-cell battery setup that goes beyond 5,000 mAh, the largest battery ever in an iPhone. With power-hungry displays and multitasking features, battery life is crucial, and Apple seems to be preparing well. A 16mm display driver also helps keep energy usage under control, making the device efficient without sacrificing brightness or performance. One of the most interesting changes is the hybrid software. Apple is blending iOS and iPadOS into a single interface made specifically for the foldable form. This hybrid OS supports split-screen multitasking, app continuity, and more advanced productivity tools. It's designed to let users jump from phone-like tasks to tablet-like workflows seamlessly, giving the iPhone Fold the potential to replace both an iPhone and an iPad mini for many users. Of course, all this innovation comes at a premium. The iPhone Fold is expected to cost between $2,000 and $2,500, making it Apple's most expensive phone yet. It's set to launch in autumn 2026 alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. Apple is reportedly expecting to sell around 5.4 million units in the first year, with Samsung Display and Foxconn partnering on mass production. The iPhone Fold isn't just another device. It's Apple's attempt to redefine the foldable market. With a crease-free display, premium materials, powerful performance, and a hybrid OS, Apple is aiming to deliver a device that stands at the top of the foldable world and sets the tone for the future of smartphones.